Welcome to our video on Minoxidil, a popular treatment for hair regrowth. We'll explore its effectiveness, expected results, and user experiences, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of this widely used solution. During the first few weeks of using Minoxidil, some users may experience increased hair shedding. This is a normal part of the process, as the treatment stimulates hair follicles to shed old hairs and make way for new growth. Noticeable regrowth can start as early as 3 months, but most users will see significant results between 4 to 6 months. Hair may appear thicker and fuller with new growth in previously thinning areas. Full effects of Minoxidil are typically seen after 1 year of consistent use. It's important to continue using the treatment to maintain the regrowth, as stopping it usually results in the loss of any regrown hair within a few months. Minoxidil is effective for about 60 to 70% of users, particularly those who are younger and in the early stages of hair loss. Users often report an increase in hair density and thickness, with new hair growth thickening over time. Clinical studies support the effectiveness of Minoxidil. A study in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology found significant increases in hair count and weight after 48 weeks, while another study showed 5% Minoxidil was more effective than 2%. Many users report satisfaction with Minoxidil, noting significant improvements in hair thickness and reduction in hair loss. Some experience mild side effects like scalp irritation, dryness, or itching, but severe side effects are rare. To sustain the benefits of Minoxidil, continuous use is necessary. Discontinuing treatment typically results in the return of hair loss. For more detailed information, refer to studies and user reviews available in medical journals and trusted health websites.